Now that the environment is configured, you should be able to verify that certificates have been issued to the direct access clients and that network connectivity is working as you expect it. At this point, the direct access client should have a certificate issued by the CA using the computer certificate template and should also be able to access intranet resources. If we move the client to the internet, the client should not be able to access intranet resources. To complete this part of the process, you should verify the certificate installation, test internet access, and then test internet access to internal resources. In order for the direct access client to be able to access internal resources from the internet, it must be issued a certificate from the internal CA. You should verify that this certificate has been issued to the client while it is connected to the internal network. You'll notice that the client has been issued a certificate from the corporate CA for the purpose of client and server authentication. In order for the NYC NLS server to respond to SSL requests to the default website, I need to modify the bindings for the default website to enable HTTPS and to use the appropriate certificate. To verify that network connectivity is working as expected, I will attempt to connect to an internal web server, to the NLS server, and to an internal network share. I don't have direct access enabled yet in the demonstration environment, so I would expect that the client should not be able to access any resources on the internal network from the internet. To verify this, I will connect the client to the Internet Virtual Network, or VLAN, and test connectivity to the internal network. The client is unable to connect to the internal network. I will reset the network configuration to connect the client to the internal network and refresh the IP address again.